Today, we are going to be checking out some premium leather seat covers for our car. I ordered these on coversforcar.com. They had a ton to pick from, different colors, different styles, tons of different varieties. If you are looking for some covers for your car, check out that website. There's plenty to choose from. And if you use code TNDS10, you do save 10%. Let's go ahead and get these all unpackaged. Shipping on these was super fast and efficient. They came in a nice cardboard box. I just couldn't help but pull them out. Thought I would go ahead and take a peek at them, and they look pretty nice. So let's go ahead and take a closer look at these before we even go ahead and put them on. So they do have some vented leather, and it is a little padded. I noticed up on top to go ahead and put that headrest through, it is like a zippered area, so you can put the headrest through and then zipper it closed. This would be the back of the seat, and there is some pockets in there as well. So I think all we need to do is go ahead and slip this on over the headrest, and there's some buckles underneath as well. So far, so good. So it even has a headrest cover that you go ahead and slip down over, and it looks pretty nice. Look at that. Slipped right down over there and covers that headrest entirely. All right, so we went ahead and slipped the seat cover on over the seat, and we put the headrest portion on, just slip that right on over as well. Now on down to the seat portion, they do come with this pack of little plastic rings. So what we're gonna do is take these little plastic rings that they've given us, and in order to secure this, we're gonna slide the rings on here. And for the seat, we have 2 rings that we're gonna go ahead and utilize. And then we're gonna simply tuck these back in the seat, and that will keep the seat cover positioned correctly. So slide them on back in the seat, and you'll feel how you can kind of position them in there and tuck them in to where they're keeping that seat cover snug on the seat. All right, now we have that. We're gonna go ahead and grab the little clips that they've included for these front portions so that we can clip these underneath our seat. And this is what those little clips look like. So we're gonna go ahead and just slide our elastic onto these. So I have the metal clasps on the end of the elastics. Now we're just gonna go ahead and put this down, tuck it over our seat, and then find a good place underneath your seat to go ahead and connect those clips to. Moving on to the back seat, we're gonna go ahead and start by finding the correct seat cushion. This one goes on the left-hand side here. And we're gonna wrap the elastic part around the headrest, and then we're gonna wrap this over the headrest and connect it back to this. The back of the headrest should look something like this, with the elastic down on the bottom, around the headrest, and the one coming over the top, connecting to that one in the back. And just like that, we have 2 of the back seat covers completed. So we have the backrest, and then we have the seat. It went in just like the front seat did. So we put those little rings on and then tucked it back in there so it's nice and secure. Then on the front, they have these little clips that you just tuck underneath the seat, kind of wedge it in there and tuck it in nice and tight. And keeps them nice and secure. The headrest on the back, super easy to go ahead and just wrap that over and secure it with that elastic strap. So in the middle, this is just a piece of that leather seat backing, and it has some Velcro on the side. So my 2 seat covers on the side are gonna Velcro on there, nice and snug, making it look like it belongs right there. It looks perfect. It looks really, really nice. So this is our last piece to go ahead and connect in the back seat. On the middle part of the back seat, this goes on the actual seat portion. So it does have another one of those rings. I just wanted to show you a little up close. You're just gonna slide that elastic in like that. Then that goes in the back of the seat and secures it in place. They do have a really nice YouTube video on their website showing you how to do this process in detail. A lot clearer than I have shown you, but pretty simple install. Here's another look at the back seat. So it does look very, very nice. They did cover completely. You can see the headrests there are also covered. So this would be perfect for even like a ride share vehicle if you want to keep your back seats in good condition. Or for those that have children, for any spills or anything, these are supposed to be kind of like waterproof, where you should be able to wipe them up a lot easier than those cloth or other seats. Here's a look at the back of the front seat. So you have your headrest with that like almost neoprene cover with the elastic that came down over it. And then you have the back of your leather seat cover here. You do have a couple of pockets in the back too. So that's really nice to be able to maintain a pocket in the back of the seat. And there's a peek of the front seats as well. They look really nice. They are really sharp. I like the lion logo on there. It looks really nice as well. but they do seem pretty snug on the seats, and we're just gonna have to see if they stay in place, but they look pretty nice. Remember, if you'd like to pick yourself up some seat covers for your vehicle, go to coversforcar.com. Make sure to use code TNDS10 to save yourself 10% on your premium seat covers. Thank you all so much for watching today. We really appreciate it. And until we see you again, keep your nose clean. Bye.